Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate a realistic meme image of Barack Obama and Donald Trump riding a motorcycle using artificial intelligence, and best of all, it's completely free. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, we're going to search for a fantastic AI tool called Styler AI. Now that we're on the Styler AI website, let's start a new project. Click on New Project to get started. Click on Text to Image to describe what you want to create. In this case, we want a realistic meme of Obama and Trump on a motorcycle. Create a humorous or satirical illustration featuring Barack Obama and Donald Trump riding a motorcycle together. Consider their contrasting personalities and political ideologies as you depict this unlikely scenario. Feel free to add humorous details or elements that highlight their individual characteristics or the dynamics between them. Click on Choose a Style and select Realistic. This will give our meme a more lifelike appearance. Alright, let's see how it turned out. Check the results to see if it matches what you had in mind. If you're not satisfied with the first style, don't worry. You can always try a different one. Let's choose Innocent Cutie this time. Once it's done, compare the results and choose the one you like best. Found the perfect style. Great! Now let's place it on the canvas. Select the image you want to use and click Place on Canvas. Finally, it's time to export our masterpiece. Select all the images on the canvas and click Export. Once it's finished exporting, you can download your meme and share it with your friends. And there you have it. You've just learned how to generate a realistic meme of Barack Obama and Donald Trump riding a motorcycle using AI, all for free. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.